The jury for the Delphi double homicide trial is now sworn in and is being sequestered for the duration of the trial, which is expected to last more than 4 weeks.
Richard Allen is facing murder charges in the 2017 deaths of Abby Williams and Libby German. We have live team coverage in Delphi in Carroll County tonight. That's where we find Wayne 15's Alyssa Ivinson and Marcus Truccio.
Yeah, the day actually started in Allen County with the jury being sworn in and Judge Gall also hearing some hearings. And it ended here in Carroll County where Judge Gall met with the media. And Marcus, you spent the day here in Delphi talking with people as the media kind of were all coming into town for the start of the trial. We'll hear what they told you in just a moment, but we wanted to start with those proceedings in Allen County this morning. Again, that jury sworn in, we got a better idea of exactly the makeup of the jury. 8 women and 4 men. There are 4 alternates, 2 men and 2 women. And we learned a little bit more about what their sequester ring will look like as well. They had to turn in all of their electronics today. They will be allowed to make phone calls to family under the supervision of a bailiff. They also will get family visits on Sundays if they like. They will have access to a TV in a central room, but they won't be able to watch any media coverage. So again, a bailiff will be supervising that TV coverage. The judge telling us that they have a variety of lighthearted DVD movies available for the jury as well. Now, in court in Allen County, the judge heard several motions this morning. She will rule tomorrow morning on whether or not the police suspect sketches will be allowed to be admitted as evidence during the trial. She's also still considering whether the defense can call a ballistics testimony. The state is saying that that person is not an expert, but the defense says their opinion is still relevant. Judge Gall did rule that prison guards can testify on their observations of Allen when he made his alleged confessions in prison, and that the defense does have to give the Department of Corrections at least 24-hour notice before they call an inmate to testify. The defense also withdrew their motion to take the jury to the crime scene. Now, here in Delphi, a very small community, a lot of media coming in town for the trial. Marcus, what is the community saying?
Well, Alyssa, tomorrow is a day that the community of Delphi has been waiting for 7 years, and it really is just the beginning of an emotional month. Downtown Delphi is only about 3 square blocks, and much beyond that, about a mile outside of town, it really is just the countryside. About 3,000 people live here, and I spoke to some of them today. Delphi has been in the media spotlight for more than 7 years since the start of this case, and a lot of its residents want to be known for something else other than this case, but they also want that justice for Abby Williams and Libby German, the 2 teen girls killed in 2017. I spent the afternoon walking in and out of the small businesses around the courthouse, hair salons, restaurants, and boutiques, and everyone I spoke to said the same thing. It has been an emotional 7 years. It's been a roller coaster, and tomorrow that roller coaster is reaching new heights with the start of the trial. It's been so long anticipated, and again, that's because this really is the type of town where everyone knows everyone. 2 women behind the counter at Bill's Rock Shop right across the street from where we are right now actually teared up just at the mention of the case. So Alyssa, while people in Delphi are glad the trial is finally here, this next month may be one of the hardest for them.
Yeah, we're just really getting started with opening statements again tomorrow morning. The trial expected to last until November 15th. Attorneys saying it might end a little bit sooner than that, but certainly several weeks. And we did learn that there are 72 seats in the courtroom, 30 of those reserved for family members, 12 for credentialed media, and then 30 seats open to the public. Live in Delphi, Alyssa Ivinson with Marcus Truccio, Wayne 15 News.